a system with pressure sensors and temperature sensors. We have several temperature sensors that will be displayed on these screens. There is a signal generator that emulates readings from pressure sensors on these screens. We have an LED indication, which shows the minimum, most average, and maximum values of the pressure sensors. We also have the capability for robust disconnection through relays of various systems that are not yet engaged. And most importantly, we have a gas cylinder that can create pressure for our sensors. We can proceed with the demonstration, turning on the system. Pressure sensor diagnostics are underway. We can see that the sensors are not connected from 0 to 10 bar. The first sensor is this sensor. The second sensor is this sensor. The third sensor is our signal generator. We can also observe the connected temperature sensors. We can check the current temperature in the room. Pay attention to this sensor. We will artificially heat it now. The temperature sensor is responding. Next, we can change the pressure system. Currently, it is programmed that the system has 10 bar with a maximum of 10 bar and a minimum of 0 bar, according to the sensor. We currently have the maximum pressure. We reduce the signals, and accordingly, the pressure decreases. 8 bar, 7, 6, 5, and down to the minimum. Now we have 0. Now, we can simulate the gas delivery system. At this stage, we have 0 pascals on the manometer and 0 bar. We open the gas valve. The system has something around 1 atmosphere, 1 bar. Now the manometer is off, the gas supply system is absent, we supply gas. We can adjust it to 1 bar. Like this. Nothing is displayed on the sensors because the sensors are off. We turn on the sensors one by one. The first sensor. Here we have a reading of 1.7. We turn on the second one. The sensor, actually somewhere the contact is loose. The second sensor turned on at 1.23. There's a bad contact somewhere. Now, we can observe that both sensors are working, and now we will also turn them off. There is a small amount of pressure left in the system, so the sensors are responding to it now. But after we release it, this pressure will dissipate. At this point, we will conclude the demonstration at this stage.